Morning, Mia. This cafe smells amazing.
I know. Fresh bread always makes me happy.
Did you order anything yet?
Yes, an iced latte and a muffin.
Nice choice. I might get hot chocolate.
Really? Even on a warm day?
Always. It's my comfort drink.
That's actually kind of cute.
Thanks. Let's sit by the window.
Perfect. I love people watching here.
Our train leaves in 30 minutes.
Good. That gives us time for snacks.
You always think about food first.
Travel is better with sandwiches.
I can't argue with that logic.
Did you download the map already?
Yes, and I saved our hotel address.
Nice. You are more prepared this time.
I'm learning from the best.
Exactly. This weekend will be so fun.
The posters look so cool tonight.
I know. This cinema always feels exciting.
Should we watch the comedy or action movie?
Comedy. I want something light and fun.
Good choice. I could use a laugh.
Same. This week was too busy.
Let's buy tickets before the line gets longer.
Okay, and I want caramel popcorn.
Then I'll get regular popcorn for balance.
Perfect. Movie night is officially starting.
Everything on this menu sounds delicious.
I know. Choosing just one dish is hard.
Are you in the mood for noodles?
Maybe, but the fried rice looks great.
Then let's order different things.
Yes, and we can share everything.
Do you want iced tea too?
Definitely. I'm really thirsty.
I'll call the waiter now.
Great. Dinner is going to be amazing.
Excuse me, do you know this area well?
A little. Where do you need to go?
I'm trying to find the city museum.
Oh, that's easy from here.
Great. Which way should I walk?
Go straight and cross the next traffic light.
Okay, then what?
You'll see the museum beside a big park.
That sounds simple enough. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
This mall is crowded today.
Yeah, but the sales are really good.
I need a new jacket for winter.
Then we should check the second floor.
Do they have affordable ones there?
Usually, and the quality is nice too.
Perfect. I don't want to spend too much.
Don't worry. I'll help you compare prices.
Thanks. You're the smart shopper here.
I know. That's why you brought me.
Hey Mia. How have you been?
Pretty good. Busy but good.
Same here. Work has been crazy lately.
Tell me about it. I need a break.
Same. Want to grab lunch this week?
I'd love that. How about Wednesday?
Wednesday works perfectly for me.
Great. Let's try that new place downtown.
I heard it's really good. Can't wait.
Me neither. It's a date then.
Hey Mia. How have you been?
Pretty good. Busy but good.
Same here. Work has been crazy lately.
Tell me about it. I need a break.
Same. Want to grab lunch this week?
I'd love that. How about Wednesday?
Wednesday works perfectly for me.
Great. Let's try that new place downtown.
I heard it's really good. Can't wait.
Me neither. It's a date then.
The sky looks strange this afternoon.
Yeah, it was sunny just an hour ago.
Now it looks like a storm is coming.
I hope not. I left my umbrella at home.
You can share mine if it rains.
Thanks. That saves my day.
The wind is getting stronger too.
Then we should head inside soon.
Agreed. Maybe we can wait at the café.
That sounds warm and safe.
Wow, this school is bigger than I expected.
Same here. I almost got lost outside.
Did you already meet your classmates?
A few of them. They seem really nice.
That's good. New places can feel scary.
True, but I'm starting to feel okay.
I heard the science teacher is funny.
Really? That makes me less worried.
Let's find our classroom before the bell.
Good plan. I want a seat near the window.